How to drop a pin on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Maps application on your phone. Google Maps provides real-time GPS navigation, helps to get directions, view streets and save places. Once the map is open, navigate to the desired area by zooming in. When you have found the exact spot you want to mark, simply tap and hold your finger on that location. A details card for the marked location will appear on the screen. On this card, you can move the marked location. But to pin the marked location, tap the More button. This provides additional actions. Here, tap on Pin to permanently save the location. This distinguishes it from a temporary marked location, making it easier to find later. Following these steps, you can easily drop a pin on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.